All right, good morning everyone. Grade 6, it's week 3. Today we're looking at, this week we're looking at division, written strategies, and today we're looking at long division. Often a tricky subject and concept for many students to deal with, but we're going to spend the entire week and all our time in class making sure that students understand how to do this. The best way that I can go over this in class is just to go through examples on the video, so you can stop, rewind, record, listen to the language, and then hopefully in time you'll be able to understand it. Once again, without a firm knowledge of number facts, this is a pretty tough concept. If you know your number facts and your factor families, then this is an easy concept to understand. All right, so let's get things rolling. The first problem that we're going to be looking at today is 96 divided by 4. So I put down my 4, I put my division symbol, all right, and I write down 96, like so. The first thing I ask myself is, unlike multiplication, addition, and subtraction where we work right to left, with division we work left to right. So we start with, in this case, we start by dividing our tens, and then we move on to our ones. Let's start it off. First thing I ask myself is, I have 9 tens. Can I share 9 tens evenly amongst 4? All right, and the answer is yes. How many tens will each of the 4 receive if I have 9 tens? Well, I know that they will receive 2 each. Okay? Now, how many have I shared out? Well, 4 times 2 is 8, or 8 tens. So I've shared out 8 tens, so I put down, this is where it gets a little bit interesting, I put down 80. All right, because I've shared out 80 tens. All right, then, because I've shared out 80, what I do is subtract to see how much I've got left. So 6 take 0 is 6. 9 take 8 is 1. So I'm now left with 16 ones to share amongst 4, but I keep working on my tens. I've got 1 10. Can I share 1 10 evenly amongst 4? No, not evenly. So I ask myself now, can I share 16 ones evenly amongst 4? And the answer is yes, I can. 4 times 4 is 16. They'll each receive 4. All right, I've shared out 16, so I put down 16. 6 take 6 is 0. 1 take 1 is 0. So I've got nothing remaining, which means that 96 divided by 4 equals 24. All right, let's have a look at another example. This time we've got 81 divided by 3. Right, once again, remembering that with division we start with tens and we move our way through to the ones. It's all about asking yourself the question. I've got 8 tens. Can I share 8 tens evenly amongst 3? All right. Well, I can share them. Might not be evenly, but I can share them. And the answer is, well, yes, I can. I've got these completely around the wrong way. So I've made a complete stuff up here, which you can see. And this is the beauty of what we're doing. So live time, you might be able to see what I've done here. I'll just completely change that. And of course I should have 81 down here. So let's start again. 8 tens, can I share them amongst 3? Yes, I can. How many will those 3 receive if I've got 8 tens? Well, they'll receive 2, because I know that 3 times 2 equals 6. I can't go any further than that. So I've shared out 6 tens, or I could rename that as 60. Then I subtract, because I've shared out 60. So I've got 1 take 0 is 1. 8 take 6 is 2. So now I've got 21 left to share. Can I share out 2 tens evenly amongst 3? Well, no, I can't. So I rename and say, well, can I share 21 amongst 3? And the answer is yes. 3 times 7 equals 21. So I put down my 7. I've shared out 21, which means I've got nothing left. So I've got no remainders. So 81 divided